hello, 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 hello.
Isn't it a lovely
Hello.
day today?
Yes.
As always in Scarborough.
Perhaps controlling the weather, it is giving us a good day.
Mm.
Conspiracies, government, all that kind of thing. There's a bus.
Where?
There's a boat. There's a seagull.
Mm.
There's a tree.
Say that the sun's out, the waves are quite strong today.
But there will be no tsunami.
You can hear it. Quite.
But isn't this like your cliche, picturesque how you see seaside towns? It's always real bright sunshine, but you always hear the waves crashing.
Mm. So this is 19th of April
2016.
and it's sunny. It's nice.
It's always like hear birds singing and everything as well.
It is. That's the spa. And the hotel. Castle. Never get tiresome.
No. Scarborough's good for them, it's called Anglo.
It does.
This is essentially the sort of view you sort of see from Oliver's Mount, obviously from a higher perspective though, but
Nice.
two highest points of Scarborough, the castle and the mount.
And we live with this view
We do.
every day.
I've lived here for 30 years and now I've never got bored of it.
And I've lived here for a year and I'm still not bored of it.
29-year advantage of you.
Yeah, you have. Here we go, beautiful Scarborough signing off.